Natural hair care is failing for you? Here is why. Natural hair care is everywhere. Herbs, oils, DIY method. And yet many people still struggle to see real results. So my question is natural hair care ineffective? Or is it being used the wrong way really? Well, let's break down everything to know why and how. Also to know which kind of hair do you have and which kind of product is really needed. Let's go in detail. Natural hair care is widely promoted, yet many people struggle to see real results. The issue is often not the ingredients, my dear. The way natural methods are applied is the reasons. Let's break and explore why natural hair care fails for most people. Also know why, what changes are needed to make it effective. Study and learn how consistency, structure, and understanding play a key role in achieving long-term hair growth results. This video is a part of Evolva series focused on realistic, well-structured, and science-informed natural hair care. Let's go. Ask, why is it not working? One of the biggest reasons natural hair care fails is expectations. People expect transformation from slow processes. Imagine you are going to target longer, healthy hair, and you are doing some hair tips for months and you don't see results. And you can make you to stop it, which is not okay. Don't expect too much without waiting. Most people expect fast transformation from slow processes, but natural methods gradually, they require time. When expectations don't match reality, people stop too early, and you are not going to see results, my dear. Another major issue is inconsistency. Using a method at once or occasionally can't produce lasting results. Do the thing with a consistent. Cause natural care relies on repetition without consistency. My lovely queen, the process resets again and again and again. Then your hair is going to not show you any change, no results. Well, many people follow trend as well. You can see some video trending on social media talking about hair growth, hair tips, and you are using it without focusing on why and what you are targeting. Without understanding why, you are doing nothing, my dear. You have to apply method with knowing why and knowing their role. Okay? This creates confusion. The more you are applying different stuff to your hair strand, the root become very distracted and create confusion as well. Also leads to ineffective routines. Understanding creates clarity, and clarity improves results. You have to know what you are doing to not be misdirected. The other why is overcomplication. Natural hair care is often overcomplicated. Too many steps, too many ingredients, too many changes. This makes it very hard to stay consistent. Simplicity supports discipline, and discipline supports results. Set the thing that you are able to accomplish. Set a routine that you are capable to do, because simple works better always. Lack of patience as well. Patience is one of the most overlooked factors for hair natural growth. Natural methods don't produce instant change. They build results slowly. When patience is missing, people switch method too quickly, and the process never stabilized. Always growth takes time. Then, To make natural hair care effective, you don't need many products, but you need these things. Highlight them, then write somewhere and try to proceed this. You need realistic expectations, consistent habit, clear understanding, simple structure. When they are aligned, results become more achievable. If natural hair care hasn't worked for you, don't overthink. It may not be the method, but the approach. When you adjust how you use it, you are changing your results. Comment to where you are watching this video from and which hair tips has helped you and what do you want to see in my next video. Subscribe to Evolva as well for structured realistic hair education, cause hair growth is built over time.